Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speedup tricks on OPPO K10x. Alright, so let's begin. First I'm going to show you one hidden thing that you might didn't know about, and it's called the developer options. To enable them, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the about device information. Now scroll down, find the version, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times, just like that. Also, in my case, I need to draw my lock screen pattern to confirm, and now we can see information that we are in a developer mode now. Now let's go back, and now find additional settings, scroll down, and now we have access into developer options. In here, we want to find 4 specific options that we can adjust. Let me show you which one. Here they are. The first 3. The animation, animator duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animation scale. As you can see, defaultly they are set on 1x. To improve the speed and the performance of our device, we need to set them on off, or at least on 0.5. Don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. For me, 0.5 is like a perfect balance between 1x and 0, because we still have our animations. They will be a little different, but they won't be completely off, and device will work better. Now let's scroll down, find the apps, and let's change the background process limit from standard into at most 3 or at most 4. It's completely up to you. And that's all what we need to do in the developer options. We can go back now. Okay, also now we can find the apps, click the app management, and in here you can simply uninstall the apps that you are not currently using to get some free storage space. Thanks to that, your device will also might get some speed, and for example, it won't be lagging anymore when you uninstall the app that's taking a lot of storage space. But be aware that some of those apps are the system ones. Sometimes you cannot even uninstall them, but you can only turn them off. But don't do it because something bad might happen. So have that in mind. Only uninstall the apps that are not the system ones. So for example, we can uninstall the Amazon, the Lady Shops, Spotify, Netflix, or some games, for example, that we have right in here. We can do it from the level of the settings, but we can also hold on it on our home screen, and we can hit on install, click once again, and now it disappeared, and we gained some free storage space. In some of the apps, there's also a chance to delete the cache. Click on app management. It won't be available in all of them, but for example in Chrome it should be. Select the storage usage, and in here we have 20 megabytes of the cache. We can clear it. Don't worry, it doesn't delete your data, so don't worry about it. Okay, also now we can click on the phone manager. Okay, and we can click on optimize. Okay, thanks to that our device will work a little bit faster. Some of the processes that were running in the background were closed. Also the RAM also gets freed up thanks to that. Okay. Also, when you have a lot of apps opened in the background, let me open up a few of them so I can show you that. Okay, now open up the recent apps, and to free up your RAM and to gain some speed, because during the day when you have a lot of apps opened in the background, because of that your device might work slower. So simply open them up and close the apps that you are not using anymore. Just like that, really simple. Also, from the Play Store, if you want, you can download some third-party apps that can help to clean your device, for example from the junk files. Simply open up the the Play Store, type cleaning or cleaner, you will have a whole list of apps that you can download, but remember that before downloading it's good to read the reviews about the app and also the ratings about it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.